Citra, autumn, branch grafting. By golden autumn, in October, temperatures gradually begin to drop, and plant growth slows naturally. To ensure a strong and healthy graft, the branch insertion grafting method is recommended for late-season operations. First, carefully shave one side of the scion to expose the cambium layer, separating the ligament lines at the graft interface to both sides. Select a short scion with a single healthy bud, making sure the bud is firm and free of any damage. Then insert it carefully into the prepared rootstock graft surface. Align the ligament lines precisely so the cambium layers of both scion and rootstock match perfectly. Then wrap the graft securely with grafting film to retain moisture and protect the union. This method works particularly well in cooler late autumn temperatures and generally achieves a higher survival rate than standard bud grafting. For anyone interested in grafting, this is a technique worth mastering. Introducing longleaf sweet orange autumn bud grafting. Select trifoliate orange seedlings as the rootstock. Because the season is late and temperatures are dropping, make only a shallow cut to expose the cambium layer, enough to encourage the scion to fuse with the rootstock. Choose scion branches that are square, full, and plump, as these retain ample moisture and nutrients, ensuring the bud graft heals quickly and strongly. This approach is ideal for late October grafting. Follow conventional steps. Carefully insert the bud, align so the cambium layers match, and wrap tightly with grafting film to complete the process. Pear tree, branch insertion, grafting. For this graft, the pear rootstock seedlings are relatively thick, with diameters exceeding 2 centimeters, since the scions are smaller and more delicate. Branch insertion, grafting, is preferred to ensure a successful union. Make a T-shaped cut to gently pry open the outer bark of the rootstock, separating the cambium layer from the bark without damaging it. Because the scion branches are small, first prepare a short cut for a single healthy bud. Shave the cambium on the opposite side of the bud, separating the scion's ligament lines for better alignment and contact. On both sides of the scion branch, shape angled cuts so it fits smoothly into the graft opening. Then, insert it carefully and fully into the prepared rootstock cavity. Wrap tightly with grafting film to hold it in place and protect it from drying out. And the graft is complete. Citrus approach, branch grafting. By this autumn, woody growth begins to accumulate, making branch-to-branch grafting easier and faster to heal in newly developed orchards. After replacing missing seedlings, thorny trifoliate seedlings often appear near the planting holes. Use spring or summer citrus branches for approach grafting. These trifoliate seedlings are vigorous and heal quickly, and by early spring, they can be safely transplanted. Prune the grafting surfaces carefully to remove any damaged tissue. Then trim the trifoliate seedlings to match the long cut of the scion branch. Once aligned perfectly, wrap the graft with film to secure it firmly for optimal healing. Wrap back and forth twice to ensure stability, retain moisture, and promote a strong, healthy union.